We're going to dive deep into the fascinating process of how those delicious soya chunks make their way from the farm to your plate. You'll be surprised at the intricate steps involved in turning simple soybean seeds into the protein-packed soya chunks we all love. So, let's get started. You must already know how important soybeans are for our health. It is said that soybeans contain a large amount of protein, which is why many people who are into bodybuilding include soybeans in their diet in large quantities. But the soybeans that you see look like a shiny seed. Looking at it, one might wonder how these soybean chunks are made from the soybean seeds. To see the entire process, make sure to watch the video till the end. The process of making soybean chunks is divided into stages. Once the soybean crops are ripe, they are harvested and threshed using special machines, and then loaded into trucks and brought to the factory. These soybeans are mostly used to produce large quantities of oil and soybean chunks. After arriving at the factory, the soybean-filled sacks are unloaded from the trucks and sent for cleaning. In the initial process, soybean seeds are selected based on the company's standards to ensure high-quality soybean chunks can be made. During this process, almost all the soybeans are selected for further processing, and the remaining ones are sold in the market later. After the initial cleaning, we now have quality soybeans, which are stored in large quantities in the factory. These soybeans are then sent for further cleaning using special machines that separate them from unwanted materials like stones, leaves, and other debris. As we mentioned earlier, during the process of making soybean chunks, the oil is also extracted from soybeans. To do this, oil extracting machines are installed in the factory. The clean soybeans are then broken into two parts using a machine, and the broken soybeans are sent to another machine where soybean flakes are made. This machine flattens the soybeans under high pressure, and during this process, the oil is separated from the soybeans, which is later sent to a separate section to be bottled. Since our video focuses on soybean chunks, we will concentrate on that. By now, you must have understood how soybean flakes are made from soybean seeds. However, the real process of making soybean chunks begins when these flakes are ground into flour. The soybean flour is then placed in another machine, where it is made into a paste and extruded out like a long rope. This paste is then cut according to the company's predetermined shape and size to make soybean chunks, which are then dried using heat. Once the soybean chunks are fully prepared, they are packed using a machine and then sent to the market. Soybean chunks have many health benefits. They are low in fat, cholesterol-free, and lactose-free, making them highly beneficial for health. Soybeans are rich in iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, zinc, and selenium. They can help in both weight gain and weight loss, provided they are consumed in moderation. Additionally, the acids present in soybeans help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart diseases. So friends, this was the complete process of making soybean chunks and the benefits of soybeans. If you also like soybeans and include them in your daily diet, let us know in the comments. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like and share it. And if you are new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe before you leave.